say yeah, yeah.
This is 16. Baby, where is even the camera at? Like,
somewhere in Aspen.
so I just started going by my middle name. I want to do a junk case or something. Put this camera in. Hi babes, it's your girl K Michelle back with another video.
Is it me or these hoes just average? Is it because you like my accent? It's the way that I talk my shit. Is it the way that I wear these glasses?
In this video, we're gonna do an unboxing. This is like my second or third take, and I feel like I'm gonna start doing car videos because I was in the house and everything fell off the wall again. So until my room is done being renovated, we're doing videos outside. And this is the 16. So guys, this is the 16 and it's pink and I love pink. This pink is so much better than the 13 I had, which I'm gonna show y'all a picture of it, but I don't have it with me because it got stolen at the club. It got stolen in the club, bro. That's crazy. Like, have you ever got your phone stolen at the club? But it's okay. I'm not even gonna think about it no more because guess what? I got a new phone. Right now I'm recording on the 12 because my camera that I had bought that's in 4K, for some reason the lighting looks so bad on there, so it looks better here. So yeah, and in this video we're just gonna unbox and like set it up, and then I'll do another video when I customize the phone. The phone just came today, and the UPS guy, so he was standing like right there, but when I had pulled up in the car, and like my family's home, but he was saying that he knocked on the door and everything, but he was about to leave with the package. And I sweared up in here, like, bro, I sweared in here fast. I was like, hey, I'm right here. He was literally about to leave because he had parked his truck across the street because we live on a hill. And y'all, like, I was so glad I had zoomed up in here because he really was about to take the package. Because when I went in the house to ask my family why y'all let that man stand outside, they told me so no man was knocking on the door. And we have a cat, so our cat literally loves going outside. So if anybody knock on the door, he act like a dog. So he'll come to the thing, but the cat didn't go nowhere. Like, it's so pretty. It's so pretty. Okay, let's do this video quick because my iPhone 12 don't have that much storage. Oh, and this one got storage. This gonna be my content phone because it got 512 gigabytes. The one I'm recording on is 64 gigabytes, and baby, it ain't got shit on here. But yeah, okay, let's oh wait, I didn't pull the other sticker off. Okay, my dad's coming outside. Okay, let's see. It wasn't that aesthetic, but it doesn't matter. I really wanted it to be aesthetic, but I had already opened the other one when I had did the video inside, but you know, I'm doing the video outside now. And this is my second. It's cute. It's cute. Like, y'all, like, look at that. Like, bro, that pink eats. And you know I love pink. What's in here? Nothing is in this one. Yeah. Oh, that's why I got Apple Care. Y'all, this phone eats. It eats. Okay, this is how the front looks. Okay, let me make sure. It eats. Okay, let me stop saying that. Like, okay, let's see the moment. Okay, wait, hold on, should I do it? I guess this is just showing you. Oh, the camera is telling me the camera is right there. The power is in the middle. Up, down, and silence is right here. Guys, I cannot. Okay, that wasn't as aesthetic as I thought it would be. But you know me. Holy, I should have brought a screen protector. This is so cute. But it's small. Like, oh, I just put my ear on it. But it's small. Like, I should have got the plus. Like, it's literally feel like it's about to fall out of my hand. I might just get a bulky case or something. But like, y'all, this case eats. Okay, let me hurry up and get everything was in the box because, you know, I have this iPhone 12 that's 64 gigabytes that ain't got no storage at all. I don't know what this is. What is this? Oh, they don't come with the stickers no more. I don't think they have stickers anymore. No stickers no more. Oh well, I save all my boxes for real. And I'm setting this up as like a new iPhone. Like I'm not going to be transferring nothing to this phone. I don't want no glitches or nothing. This is my brand new bit. Ooh, it's like here. I don't even know the word. Get the word. I don't care about the word. I don't even know the word. Whatever the word is. Oh, and then I got another sleep. Let's see. Yes, I'm so glad it comes with a charger because baby, I don't have no charger. But I just gotta find. I think I have to go buy the block piece because they ain't got the block piece again. But y'all, like, OMG, okay, let's see how it looks. Okay, now it's starting to get let me stop rubbing my hand on it. Oh, wait, yeah. Okay, so this is the power button. Oh, baby, it's not turning on. Oh, there you go. There you go. I got concerned. Like they gave me a refurbished phone or something. Like, what is this? Yo, this phone is tea. Okay, let me show that. Now this my bed. This my bed. Ooh, that purple. I like it. Okay, let's swipe it. Did y'all hear about that? Oh, y'all, TikTok is really getting bad. They say they shutting it down on Sunday. Oh, well. We finna get in this YouTube, yes. English, select your country, United States. This time on appearance, on my other phone, I accidentally put it at large, and it was stuck because I didn't know how to get it off of large. So I'm gonna leave it at default. If I can't see, I'm gonna put my glasses on, which I haven't worn my glasses in a year, but you know, set up with another device. What that mean? No, I don't want to transfer nothing, but set up without another device. I think that's what I want to do. Okay, wait, I gotta figure out the Wi-Fi password. Okay, guys, I had to get the password for the Wi-Fi so we can set up the phone. Okay, guys, this sun is eating my face, and I did not put no sunscreen on. Let's see if it joins. I hope this is the right password. Yeah, it's the right password. Okay, so it may take a few minutes to activate your iPhone. Y'all, this phone is so like, but I wish I got bigger, but it's so nice. I love pink. Okay, set up for myself. Continue. Let's start it. Oh, they got a new. Oh, okay, my bad. Okay, let's move iPhone a little bit lower. Okay, lower. Baby, where is even the camera at? Like, okay, I'm not using no face mask right now. Face ID is now set up. Continue. Okay. I'm doing my password real quick, y'all. This phone, look how I'm looking. Like, look at the phone. It's so cute. Okay, what does it say? Transfer your apps and data. Don't transfer anything. Period. We created a whole new Apple account for this phone. This is gonna be I don't even know. I'm gonna figure out a name right now. Okay, let's see. Create a free Apple account. Let's see. McKelly, that's my name. I'm going to start using my light real. Okay, let me chill. My first name is T, but it's like people don't even know how to pronounce my first name, so it's like I'm too old for y'all to be saying my name wrong. Like, it's just annoying at this point. It's real annoying. So I just started going by my middle name, but people still be getting it wrong. But it's telling me to put my birthday in 17. I was born in 2002. And my email address, McKelly. You could do Gmail on here? I didn't know that. Apple account password. For some reason, I always use my mom's passwords, but then she's been telling me not to do that anymore. So now I gotta create my own, and I feel like I'm gonna forget this password. text message. What is the phone number? Enter phone number that can be used to verify your identity with a text message or phone call. 6, 3, 5, 3. Okay. So yeah, the phone finna go off real quick because I need them to call me. Hold on, y'all. Hold on, babe. Put this kid in. Okay. Ooh, excuse me. So it's telling me to agree to the terms and conditions, especially going through the same steps. It's signing me in. Ooh, I might have to create a whole new Apple playlist because I'm signing it with a new Apple ID. It's okay. I feel like I'm gonna use this phone only for like, this is like my content phone, and then that's gonna be like, I don't know, because that phone don't even be working. Like when I try to call my family or something, you know, because I need a ride or whatever, the phone don't, it be saying it's not activated. So that's why I got a new one. But anyways, it's pink, so oh well. Turn it on. I'm turning on location services because, you know, your girl be walking down the trail and stuff, and I don't want nothing to happen to me. And if something do happen to me, everybody will be notified. Eat me, silly. Just like that one girl that was fighting for her life. She literally was fighting for her life for 17 minutes. Supposedly her Apple Watch caught it all. Set up eSIM. You can set up your eSIM later. Okay. So I gotta set up the eSIM later because we gotta call them. Cause I don't have no whatever they talking about in the code. Ooh, I'm gonna put it in dark mode. Auto. I think I'm gonna put it in dark. I like it dark, yeah. Silent, you can toggle. That's normal, I think. Action button, customize. Oh, so this is an action button, and it's getting darker, y'all. My bad. This is an action button. Okay, the sun is coming out real bad, but this is the action button, so I can customize it to do whatever. Like, it don't have to just be silent. It could be like, let's see what it can be. It could be silent mode if I want this little button to, like, instead of being like the switch one, it can also be the focus. It could be focus. It could turn into the camera. I'm not doing that because they have the camera one right here, so it could be the flashlight. I think I'm gonna do the flashlight because it can recognize music. Shazam. Nah. Translate. Ooh, that's a good one. When I travel, I can just like click that button and it will translate. It will enlarge it. Shortcut. No action. I think I wanted to translate or voice memo. Or flashlight. Let's see. I think I wanted to do. No, I wanted to translate. But I'm not traveling right now, so I'm gonna just keep it on flashlight for now. And hopefully I can change this later. If I can't, oh well. So I don't know if I can see it because it's getting dark. But okay, so it's telling me camera control. Click camera control to open the camera app. Oh, look, let's see. Oh wait, it's not working. Yeah. Apple into, okay, that's AI, Siri.
The colors of the sky fade with the setting sun. As
The colors of the sky.
the colors of the
The colors of the sky. The colors of the sky. The colors of the sky fade.
the colors of the sky.
The colors of the sky. The colors of the sky.
I like 4. It's fine. Hey. Siri, how's the weather? Y'all, the camera is getting so dark. Oh, hopefully it's getting hot in this car though. Oh shoot, I'm supposed to be talking to Siri. Siri, how's the weather? It's telling me to say it and it's not registering. Hey Siri, send a message. There it goes. Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri. Well, Siri didn't quite get it. Hey Siri, get directions home. Take me home. Siri, play some music. Play some music by K. Michelle. That's my girl. Okay, let me stop. Siri is ready. Continue. No. Ooh, what I say? Welcome to. Okay, the sun is too bright, but it's like it's doing justice. It's okay. Swipe up to get started. Oh shoot, I'm over here sitting here. Let's see. The phone is so cute, y'all. It's so cute. I wish I got bigger. Okay, set up cellular. Okay. Let me go talk to my mom so she can figure out how to set up the cellular. Probably gotta call these people. But yeah, thank you guys for tuning in to today's video. See you guys next week. Oh, y'all, and I don't know if I'm gonna start recording on this one or just use it as like an editing device. But yeah, this camera, oh, it's over hot too. Shoot, let me close the lens. But yeah, thank you guys for tuning in to today's video. Thank you guys for 100 subscribers. 100. Even though y'all keep unsubscribing to me, it's okay. I know that I'm gonna get to 100 faithfully without people unsubscribing. This camera is hot. Yeah, it's time to go in the house. I am sweating bad, y'all. I love the background, like it's like purple, but like I'm gonna customize it and I'm gonna show y'all. Ooh, I can't wait to customize my phone. Oh, I didn't do no thumbnails. Let's see, hold on. Let's do some thumbnails. Let's do some. Girl, the sun is burning me. It's eating me alive. I gotta go. Hang up the call. Hey, look at this. I'm just so excited. Like, y'all comment down below what y'all think about the phone. Okay, this is a good thumbnail. Is it a good thumbnail? Oh, yeah! This phone, but it's too small, like, you can't even, it's like about to fall out my hand, like, bro. But it's like, that's why I don't like the iPhone 12 that I have, because it's so small. But I had the iPhone 13, I think it was Plus, Pro, something. But let me put this stuff back in here. I'm kind of sad they don't have the stickers no more, because I needed that sticker. I wanted to do a junk case or something with the sticker. Oh, I might get a Magnum safe. I think that's what it's called. OtterBox case. Cause that one was so cute. But I want to get a clear one. Okay. Wait, let's see if I can make a thumbnail where they're both next to each other. Okay, the thumbnails is gonna just have to give. I'm gonna make it do what it do. Make it do what it do. Okay, this. Oh, is this a thumbnail? And I'm so glad I got Apple Care on this, just in case something happens. Cause baby, I done got no case on here, no type of case. Okay, y'all, the video's long enough. Bye, babes. Like, I don't even want to leave this video. Like, the sun is eating so good. I want to stay in this video for like an hour. I look good, y'all. Hey, almost left the car in the middle of the driveway, so I backed up to get some sunlight in. But, bruh. Oh, my. Let me. Okay, I'm now going down the hill. Hold on. Yo, that is so funny. I was like, why the car in the middle of the driveway like that? Oh shoot, I'm gonna see our bush. I'll go. This kid. Okay, so why the 12 wanna look good now? Like when I used to record on the 12, like everything used to be blurry, but like now, it's trying to show out. I think I'm gonna start using it. Think again. I got a pink phone. Think again. Okay, but not 12 is starting to eat. Thank you, babes, for tuning into today's video. See you guys in next week's video.